Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add a search bar on your Wix website. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. All you need to do, first of all, go and log in with your Wix account, and after that simply open the classic editor of Wix. Once you're here, now you're going to go and click on Add Apps in the left menu. Once the Wix app market will open, now in the search bar you have to search for search bar. Now here we have a lot of search bars, so you're gonna go ahead with this one, site search. Now it will basically give you a 7 days of free trial and then you have to purchase it. Anyway, so after that click on add to site. And boom, we have done. You can see now the search bar has been added to our Wix page right here, and you can place it anywhere you want. So guys, this is basically how you can add a search bar on your Wix website. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.